If you want to get edge lights on a Redmi 15, what you can do is simply open the Play Store and download an app that provides you edge lighting effect. So we're gonna go to search, and you can either just type edge lighting, edge lights, or something similar. In my case, I'm gonna type Movies Edge, which is a specific app that provides this feature. So I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to set up edge lights with this app. However, feel free to try any other app. And yeah, so in case this one doesn't work for you or you don't like this one, then of course you can just use anything else. Over here, once you open this app, we need to grant this permission over here, draw over apps. So we're gonna tap over here, wait for the next screen to appear, and you should be able to choose the app. So let's see, let's try to find it. There we go. Here's Movies Edge. Let's select it and choose Allow Display over other apps. And let's go back. Now, after that, we have edge lights here, and we can start customizing it. So we can, for example, tap on lines over here in order to choose a different effect. Some of them are premium, some of them are free. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. We can still customize it a little bit by tapping on this pen icon. And over here, we can adjust the thickness, the glow, spread, and so on and so forth. In other cases, you will have some different customization options, and we can press save. There is also the color choice over here on the right side at the top. So let's say I'm gonna choose, for example, this one over here. And let's go back, and we can press apply. In addition to that, we can also turn on these options so we can grant permissions. So let's choose while using the app. Let's select AOD music and AOD notification. Over here, we're gonna select Movies Edge, and let's turn on notification access. We're gonna select that we are aware of possible risks. And after that, we're gonna press OK. There we go. And now we're gonna go back. And that should be it. Now, if you need to find some additional settings, then of course we can go to settings over here, and we can, for example, find edge lighting over here, which can be customized a little bit. In case you need to adjust something. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.